in this section we will discuss one question which will not only help you to do other questions using the point that how to use angles in given figure. Now this figure I have given you. There are number of rays standing on a line. So earlier we were only discussing a ray standing on a line. You know that the sum of the angles formed is 180 degree, or it is a linear pair. Linear pair means if you have a ray standing on a line, then the sum of the two angles gives you whatever angle they are forming. This we discussed in the last section, that the angles forming are having a sum of 180 degree. So if two angles are having a sum of 180 degree, then they are also called as linear pair. So this we discussed earlier also. In this question we will have different angles because there are number of rays standing on the line. So how to use angles, how to recognize different angles, how to derive answers from the given angle, this all we will discuss in this section. So first of all, what is given to you I will give. Angle EOB is equal to angle FOC is equal to 90 degree. Angle DOC is equal to angle FOG is equal to angle AOB is equal to 30 degree. And angle AOF plus angle FOG is equal to 180 degree. This is all given to you. I will discuss what is given here. AOF plus FOG is 180 degree. So I will go with AOF. AOF. So look at the figure here. AOF plus FOG. So FOG is this angle. Obviously FO is the ray standing on the line. So AOF plus FOG will be equal to 180 degree. This is given to you. What else is given? EOB is equal to FOC is equal to 90 degree. So I will go with EOB. EOB here, this angle is 90 degree starting from E and going till B. So EOB, this angle is 90 degree, and FOC, this angle is also 90 degree. Further few other angles are given. Look at them. DOC, so DOC, this angle is given to you. FOG, this angle is given to you. So basically FOG is also given to you, and sum of FOG and AOF is 180 degree. And then you have AOB, which is also 30 degree. So with these given parts we will solve and find the other angles. First is find angle FOE. So FOE, this is the angle, so I mark it here, angle 1, so that you are able to recognize it easily. You have to find FOE. For finding FOE, you need to have some other angles known to you. Now FOE is the part of FOA. So I have angle FOA is equal to angle FOE plus, I will draw the figure here, how to form different parts of the figure. FOA, and this is E. This angle you have to find. So you can see that EO is the ray between FO and OA. So definitely EO is dividing it into two parts. One is FOE and other is EOA. So how can I write FOA? It is FOE plus angle EOA. What is angle EOA? Now FOE you have to find. So I should able to know FOA and EOA. So what is FOA? FOA. Obviously FOA was here. AOF plus FOG is 180 degree. FOG is given to be 30 degree. So I have AOF plus FOG is equal to 180 degree. This is given to me. So angle AOF is equal to 180 minus 30. What is 30? FOG जो आपको given है, तो it becomes 150 degree. Angle AOF is 150 degree. This AOF I have got here. Now I need EOA. EOA. Again, I would like to show it here. This is angle EOA. There are number of rays between EO. Number of rays OD, OC, OB. Number of rays are there. But I will show you only that ray which we know or we can calculate. See here, EOB, starting with EO ray, I have an angle EOB which is 90 degree. So I draw EOB here. This angle is 90 degree. And what else is left now? EOA के लिए आपको OB है, यहाँ तक 90 डिग्री है. बाकी का एंगल बचा मेरा AOB. AOB is also given to me. It is 30 degree. So my EOA is actually angle EOB plus AOB. So I get it to be 90 degree plus 30 degree, that is 120 degree. So EOA is 120 degree. Now I come to the original. I had to find FOE. So from equation 1 I will get 150 is equal to angle FOE plus 120, that is angle FOE is equal to 150 minus 120, which is 30 degree. So I get angle FOE to be equal to 30 degree. Now the second question, find angle COB. Now look what is asked in the question. You look at the figure COB. So this is my angle now, COB. I name it angle 2. How to find COB? Now again in this case, see here, number of angles are there. Now you have to see how will I recognize the angle. So COB is given here. you only see at the given parts. Here AOF we have found, one angle I have found AOF, one angle I have found EOA. So AOF I know, EOA I know, EOA is 120 degree, and EOC, which is EOB is 90 degree, FOC is also 90 degree. So how will you recognize now? Let's draw the figure. I have CO and B. This angle I have to find. AOB I know. Now I will go towards the left side. जितनी भी रेज लेफ्ट साइड पे हैं CO के, उसमें से देखते हैं हमें कौन सा एंगल पता है. तो मुझे एक एंगल पता है EOB. ये एंगल मुझे पता है. अब अगर EOB में से EOC माइनस करते हैं तो COB आ जाएगा, लेकिन EOC मेरे पास नहीं है. आई डोंट हैव EOC एनीवेयर, so I would skip this part. What else I know is FOC. FOC is known to us, so I draw FOC. This is 90 degree, and I also know FOA. Can you figure out? FOA is 150 degree, which we have already found. This bigger angle is 150 degree. Out of this bigger angle, I know FOC 90 degree, AOB 30 degree. So whatever is left would be the COB angle. So I will write angle AOF is equal to, now in this question I had written FOE plus EOA. Can you see in the first part? FOE plus EOA. This was a simple, but here in this case I am writing FOA as FOC plus COB plus angle AOB. I am dividing because there are two rays in between now. Between OF and OA there are two rays. So these two rays are actually making many angles. Out of these three angles, I have two angles here and third angle I have to find. So AOF is 150 degree, FOC is 90 degree, COB is I have to find, and AOB is 30 degree. So my COB becomes 150 minus 120, that is 30 degree. So whatever is given again and again, जितना भी आप क्वेश्चन में फाइंड करते जा रहे हो, जैसे फर्स्ट पार्ट में आपने FOE फाइंड कर लिया, EOA फाइंड कर लिया, FOA फाइंड कर लिया, तो इन तीन एंगल्स को भी आप फर्दर आगे यूज़ कर सकते हो. सो इन दिस केस मैंने कौन सा एंगल यूज़ किया है? FOA मैंने यूज़ किया है. FOC मुझे ऑलरेडी गिवन था यहाँ पर 90 डिग्री, और AOB भी मुझे गिवन था 30 डिग्री. तो आई यूज्ड दीज एंगल्स. तो जो भी आपको क्वेश्चन दिया होगा, आंसर उसी में जो गिवन है, यू हैव टू गो बैक. मीन्स स्टार्टिंग विद द एंगल विच यू हैव टू फाइंड, यू हैव टू गो बैक दैट हाउ कैन आई ब्रिंग COB इन द पिक्चर. COB को मैं कैसे लाऊं इसके दूसरे एंगल्स जो मुझे नोन है उससे. Now we move to third question. Find DOE. DOE. So DOE. We mark it. This is DOE. So again you have to look for the angles which you know. I know EOB, so if this is DOE, out of this I know only COB and I don't know DOC, so this won't happen. Then what else I can know is okay, so I know EOA,